and I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki, all of the Barbies fitted.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MOURA YING, if you didn't know. And today we're here for a wig tutorial from ISEE hair. All the TikTok girlies been talking about this glueless, team glueless wigs. We love glueless wigs. This is my first ever glueless wig and I'm so excited. I love the way it turned out. And this hair is given. This hair is given. Again, it's from ISEE hair. I got it off of Amazon. Came in like 2 days, girl. Whew. And this hair is worth it. You see this? You see how this turned out with the baby hairs and the lace? You can't even see the lace. Like the front, it was so white before, but we made it work in this video, honey. Oh, I'm so obsessed. If y'all want to see how I slayed this wig, even though it was glueless, it's low maintenance and it's so worth it. Y'all gotta watch the rest of this video. That's enough talking. Let's just get into the tutorial. Okay, so this hair came from ISEE hair. I've been seeing it on TikTok a lot. Like the girlies have been talking about this hair from Amazon. I got it from Amazon. I didn't go to the ISEE hair website. I got it from Amazon. It came in 2 days, so shout out to Amazon for that. I got it in 22 inches straight and it's supposed to be a glueless wig. I don't know the name of this wig. I probably should figure it out. It will be at the bottom of the screen somewhere, but let's see. Let's get on to the video and all the chit chat. So when you open up the package, I love the that the packaging is pink. And oh, there's some like information about them on the back. And it's Brazilian. That's all I know. I know that it's straight glueless Brazilian, and I think it's a 4x6 4x6 22 inch 180% density. There it is. It came with lashes and it came with HD wig cap. So I already have a wig cap on underneath this bonnet, but that's all that it came with in the packaging. And then obviously it came with the wig, but off camera I took the wig out and I flat ironed it off camera because I don't like, you ever just get a wig and you flat iron it on your head and you think it's eating and you think it looks all good, but then like in the back it's like wavy and stuff, but you just couldn't see the back. Like you split it in half, or you can do all the little sections, but the back part be still wavy. Like that's why I did it on my styrofoam head, which I'm gonna show you. This is the hair and it came like this right out the package. All I did was flat iron it, so I didn't do no tweezing, no cutting the hair, no plucking the front. This is what the lace is looking like. That's what the lace is looking like straight out the packaging. Like I didn't do anything to the part, I didn't do anything to the lace, nothing. So that's the lace. Lace is looking real transparent, and then it's a 4x6, I think, I'm pretty sure. And then it comes with the band, and it has no clips, like, you know, those little those little things that you push in, those little clips. It has none of those, so it just comes like this. And it's big head friendly because I tried it on just to make sure I didn't waste so much time trying to fit it to my head. It actually fits. That's the lace up against my hand. It looks kind of white, a little bright, but that could be because of like all my lights that's going on, because my lights are so bright. I think I'm gonna have to buy some, I bought some Ebin lace tint. Like I've never used lace tint before. Y'all know I just put my makeup on it, but I also bought this off of Amazon in the color like medium brown, tinted lace mousse. And I tested it out like 2 days ago on my hand. It actually blended in with my skin tone, so hopefully this blends in. But first we're gonna try it on to make sure that if I have to even use it, and let's see if the lace is too white or what can we do to like fix it. So let's get into that. Oh my gosh, I haven't done a wig on my channel in a long time. I haven't even wore a wig in literally like 7 months. 7 months. I only put a wig on, if you go on my Instagram, for like a day, and it was horrible. It's like I forgot how to do wigs. It was horrible. It was sliding off my head. Luckily, everybody that was at the party that I was at was people that, you know, I know would never judge me and stuff like that, that, you know, your friends, your family. Like, I wasn't really like all obsessed with it. But oh child, if I was somewhere else, whew, them girls would have been eating me up, dog. They would have been eating me up because I look hideous. So let's put it on and see how it fits on the head right out the packaging. How it's what we can see what we working with. Oh, got a little stuck in the front. We can see what we working with before we go ahead and like do anything else. So that is how the hair is looking right out of the package. Let me just comb it out because, like I said, it got stuck. Obviously, when I was doing it off camera, I put it on perfectly. As soon as I put it on, get on camera, now I don't know what I'm doing. Don't you hate that? So this is how, if y'all can see that, this is how the front is looking. It looks great on camera. Like, it doesn't look that bad, but in the mirror it's white. Like, the lace is white. So we're gonna have to touch it up a little bit. And you can see a little bit, like you can see the little white cast. But the hair though, it's giving. And it comes up to like right underneath my boob. So like 22 inches about is accurate. So I decided to do a voiceover for this part because I was like, girl, what is you talking about? You just talking and talking about everything underneath the sun. So I took the ebon lace tint and sprayed it on the top and just put it on the top of that so I could spread it with my hands. As you can see, I was just taking my finger and just wiping it across because I didn't want to use any of my brushes. It literally was staining like my finger, so I was like, it's gonna stain my brushes. So I was focusing on the top of the lace, like in the front the whole time, because that is mostly what people are going to see. And that's where we want it to be brown, match your skin tone. So the rest I didn't really care about, but the front I focused on, as you can see. And then this is what it looks like against my hand. It looks a lot better than it did before. So in this part, I'm just showing that the ebon lace tint really does work. Like, it looks a lot better. It matched my skin tone really, really well. Like, it looks dark here a little bit, but no, like, it went from like looking a little too white to being that perfect brown. And now I'm just showing that I'm using the ebon and some got to be glue spray, even though I'm not spraying the got to be glue spray on the lace to glue it down because it's a glueless wig. I'm using it to glue, like, get the baby hair stuck on my forehead sort of, and then I'm using the wax stick to make the hair flat. But yeah, like I said, this is a glueless wig, so I'm not really spraying it on the lace. I just need it on the baby hairs when I get to that part. So now I'm just using the wax stick and I'm going to spread it all around the sides, the left side, the right side, and the back. And then while you're doing that, get your hot comb ready. So now I'm just plucking out or like pulling out some baby hairs, making sure it's even on my forehead. Like, I don't like my baby hairs too thick, like too much hair, or really, really thin. I like it like right in the middle, like thick enough to be noticeable, but not too thick where it's like coming down to my eyebrows, or like they're just really, really thick little black, like black chunks on your forehead. Like, I don't like baby hairs like that. So now I'm just going in and spraying like right where the baby hairs start, like right, that little piece of lace right there, like right where the baby hairs start and right at the top, because like I said before, I like when my baby hairs are like, before I like cut them and shape them, I like them kind of like sticky and tacky, because for some reason it's easier for me to swoop them when they have a little bit of product on it. Like, I can't do it just like bare like that and then like stick it into place. I can't. So I use my got to be glue and then I use my edge control or like my baby hair control, whatever, to make it like sticky. So I use gummy. This is something that also went viral on my TikTok that I bought like months ago, and I'm obsessed with it. Like, it works good for my natural hair, and it like works good with wigs, and it looks good and works good for my natural hair, which is crazy because my hair be curling up, but it stays like literally all day. Like, it really works. So right here I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette to sort of like blend that part in, or not blend that part in, make that part a little bit more the same color, and then have it like nice and bone straight, like straight, because you know the girlies love a part that's very straight apparent, and just like you don't want to see your wig cap through the lace because the lace is so bright. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm taking the second color, the second lightest shade, and then I did go back and use the darkest shade because it ended up being a little too light. So I was mixing the first shade and the second shade together. So now I'm using the wax stick and the hot comb, just going through my hair, trying to make it as flat as I can, and getting it like that nice perfect shape where it's like not too flat to my head. You know how the girlies be having like, there's a little bump in the front, like the front has a little definition where it's not like super flat to the head. That's kind of what I'm doing when I'm applying it, going backwards and then using the hot comb swooping back to give the hair some definition in the front. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Like, this hair y'all eats down. Like, this hair eats down. Like, I'm so surprised at how easy it was to do everything. Like I said, I flat ironed it off camera when I first got it in the mail. Not when I first got it, I did like earlier today. I flat ironed it off camera because I was like, I don't like when there's like, I miss parts in the back and miss pieces and it's looking all wavy. So I did that off camera on my styrofoam head. But this hair was so easy, and the fact that it's glueless, I didn't have to like put my got to be glue gel or spray. Well, I only use the spray nowadays. I didn't have to use like none of the glues, none of that. The only thing that y'all saw me spray with got to be glue was my edges, because I like my edges to like stay for a while, and if I'm not sweating or doing much, they usually do stay. But I'm so surprised. Like, look at that, and look at the lace. It's like you can barely see like the lace. Like, this is one of the best wigs I've ever done, and it was so easy. Like, this wig is really glueless, and it doesn't feel like it's going nowhere. Like, it's not going nowhere. Like, I'm not going nowhere, as Nicki Minaj said. Like, it really feels like it's just not going anywhere, and like, it's so cute. It's true to length. like, and it's full, it's soft, it has no smell. My package didn't have no smell to it. I am so surprised. And like these edges were just so easy to lay. That's why I was nervous. I was nervous to do my baby hairs, y'all, because anytime I do baby hairs, they never come out the way I want it. Can we just, let's just get into it. Like, it is a little, I didn't put too much makeup because it was starting to get a little too light, and like, I don't want the lace to be so light, but the girlies be having they part real apparent. So like, we love a crisp part. So, and I'm so happy with the way it came out. And this hair kind of like rounds at the end, so it's not like cut straight, it's like cut perfectly. Like, this wig is so cute. So shout out to the TikTok girlies that was buying this wig and was saying like, "Ooh, this is a good glueless wig." Let me bring all the hair to the front. A good glueless wig, because it's definitely giving that. So cute. So if you guys want this hair, I'm gonna leave the Amazon link down below. Everything was on Amazon, or if I can find it on ISEE hair, I will put it in the link down below. I mean, I will put it down below as well. Dang, I don't know, I don't do YouTube enough these days to know what I want to say, because I just go. But I'm so surprised at how this turned out. Like, y'all should really get this wig. Something quick and easy, you could just take it off. The only thing you will probably have to redo is your edges from time to time, but this is real good and real cute, and it's definitely worth the price. Like, it is human hair, it's Brazilian, but the fact that it's glueless, it just feels like it's worth it. Like, no maintenance, it just came perfect right out the box. So I recommend buying this wig. Y'all better get y'all some one of these. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more hair tutorials like this. I know I haven't done one in a while, but I'm back and I'm better, baby. Comment down below. Period. I love you guys so much. Have a good day. Mwah.